Yo, blessed be the Most High. The sun is shining on me. Oh, nope. It's just rain. It's just rain. Today we're going to install this new RCD340 radio, and my sister is coming in with the trim tool, which is
a butter knife.
Yeah, it's gonna be a butter knife. Not supposed to be using a butter knife, but for this one, we are. Cut it. So like I said before, I am replacing my RCD310 with the 340. So this one has Bluetooth, it has Apple CarPlay, it has a touch screen, it has the ability to get a backup camera, which came with the package, and I'll have the link in the description below. And the backup camera, bam! It comes with pretty much all the fixings. Got a little camera, got the handle, got the seat. It doesn't come with the seat, but you know. Anyway, let's get ready. Yeah. Let's do this. So the tools you're going to need for the job is a T20 Torx and a trim tool. But yeah, you know how I do my trim tool. I should really invest in a thing. Whatever, here we go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the outer trim, and then we're going to expose the radio. So we're going to take our trim tool here and then just kind of go around it. Okay, cool, it's in there. All right. So to make your life a little bit easier, with the e-brake up, put your car in neutral so you can get some more space in between you and this trim. And then when you can finally take this off, you're gonna have to be careful with this so you don't mess with the airbag light here, and you're just gonna like pop that out. All right, so now after we got the trim off, we're going to start taking off these 4 bolts. And then that'll loosen up the radio, and we'll pull that out. And then we'll take off the harness and all those plugs in the back of it. The harness back here, once we got the radio pulled out. So what you want to do in order to get this one off, a little tab underneath here. Yeah, there's a little tab that you pinch and pull, and then this lifts up, and this whole unit comes out. So with these tabs, you have to pull the tab out first and then pinch and pull. So the same thing with the bottom one, except it's on the bottom, of course. You pull out the tab, pinch it, pop it off. Simple as that. Okay, so now installation of the new radio is pretty much in reverse order. All you have to do is just push that in, and then push the harness in here, and then just slap it down. It'll lock into place. And same thing with this. You're gonna take your old connections right here and just plug it into the new ones, and that'll be the end of it. All right, so now with the new radio in, I mean, as any good, you know, thing when installing new equipment, you have to test it. So let's turn it on, because it should have power now. Welcome to Volkswagen. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, wow.
Boom. One major achievement in the record books. We get it.
Okay, so now that we know that everything's working, I guess all we have to do is just put it all together. Duh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go put everything back together, and we'll go from there. All right, so that's it, pretty much. I mean, if anything, just give me a couple likes if you thought that this was really informative for you and thought it could kind of help you along. Also, check out my other channel, That Guy Sketch. You can also hit me up on thatguysketch.com, where you get a whole bunch of like design tips, or if you just want to reach out, say what's up. Also leave a comment below if you had like any other suggestions, comments, on what you probably want to see, might want to see, had issues with. I mean, I probably already went through it, because like I just finally went stage 1 on my car, so kind of happy about that, with the ABR stage 187 mapping. So definitely worth the money. Was kind of skeptical at first, but it turned out to be well okay. Anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, let me know, get the up-to-date videos. All right, I'm gonna let you go, bro. Live creatively. Bye.